a passion.
12.
As you can ask any of these guys, it's just the same. The women, you know, it's all you have a passion for. You can't stop doing it. I've been doing this since I was 12, so I you know, it's got to be something in you. It's making you keep going. And there's always a new bird, a new shorebird, a new heron. Because every single one you do is individual, so they all come out different. So you just can't wait till the finished product and say, wow, that's comes out. I think came out okay. I was surprised, you know. But whatever. It's just a simple teaching this to people is great because it's not expensive to do this style compared to the other styles with all the bits and the electric drills and you know. This is all hand carving. This is all knives and gouges and chisels. This is more of an American folk art. What they did back in the day when they made their decoys. That's what they're called, decoys. They made them to look similar to what they were going to hunt, or these used to be used as confidence decoys, where they used to make sandpipers and put them on the beach, stick them in the sand on the beach, so when the ducks would fly over, there's something going on down there. You know, it seems like it's safe to land, and by the time they figured it out, it was too late. So the decoys did their job.